Great job.
Yes, yes.
Thank you.
Yes.
Man, I feel his anointing. Right
Yes, hallelujah. Yes, yes.
With 2 or 3 are
there. Got
gathered.
it?
Yes.
His name, where is he?
He's in the midst.
That's right. That's right. That's right. All praise.
Yes. The video in 2 parts.
All right.
All right.
It's going to take a minute.
Would y'all like for me to point y'all in the direction y'all want to?
Take your time coming down. Hold on to this right here, but just watch for splinters as well. Please.
Yes.
All right, we're just going to take our time.
Oh, maybe. Maybe.
Y'all,
That's right.
try that way first. Walk all the way down there. And then, I'll just watch.
From South to Sinai.
I'll just watch outside.
Yeah, he said the further in you go right there. Let's go, Pastor. Hallelujah. Trumpeter. You want him to come to the water for the trumpet? Can you come down right there, Brother Mike?
If you're not, it's okay, but are you prepared to stand behind?
All right.
Be careful over here.
Yeah.
Weird step, isn't it?
Gotta get acclimated to the water.
I think I'm gonna put my feet in it first, bro.
Yeah. Yeah, they got a good spot right in there.
Oh, so it's going.
Yeah, they got a good spot right in there, but it's cold the farther they get.
Can you swim, brother?
Y'all cold.
How it feel? You know, I heard what works best is you just do it. What's your name again? Malachi. Omar. That's your birth name? Yes, sir.
Oh my goodness. I'm getting y'all faces. Y'all know that, pastors. I got both of y'all facial expressions.
Yeah. Well, I haven't really done anything much
Oh my goodness.
until after this.
I'm going to step in. I'm going to get closer for the baptism.
You gonna get in the water?
Ooh, I don't
Let me
know.
know. Go, girl, get on there. Go.
I'm going to step my feet in here.
How it feel?
Ooh, Father. Ooh. Wow.
You gonna have someone in the back, you guys? Or
Yeah, to help.
just waiting on him?
Ooh, be ready. Praise the Most High. Woo. Be ready, brother. Woo.
That's how you
He's
do
doing it like a champ. He's doing it like a chosen. Yes. Hallelujah. Yeah, that's a good area right there.
Myra said I ain't gonna give him a chance to get cold. I'm just gonna go in.
Yeah.
That's how you do it. I just only do it. Like if I go swimming, I just jump right in. There you go.
Martha, it's cold,
I
sis.
know it's cold, sis. You brave, sis.
Woo-wee. Praise the Most High. Baptism 2021. All praises.
My Lord, thank you, God.
Hallelujah.
Thank you, Most High.
Yes, hallelujah. Yo, since we didn't bring the shofars when our brothers and sisters go down in the water, when they come up, let's shout out a hallelujah. You got the trumpet? You know how to blow? All right, we're going to do our earthly trumpets. Hallelujah when they come up. All right.
My Lord.
Yes.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah, hallelujah. Thank you, Abba. Yes, yes. Thank you, Abba. Yes, yes. Praise the Most High. Glory, glory. Hallelujah. Yes, yes. Hallelujah. Thank you, Abba. Yes, yes. Glory. Hallelujah. Yes, yes. He didn't heat the river. Yes. Yes. Yes, yes. Hallelujah. Yes. Yes. Hallelujah. Yes. Yes. Hallelujah. Yes. Yes, yes. Oh, you went in. You went in. You went in. You want to do it again? Huh? Woo. Yes. If you want to go in barefoot, you can. Let's that in the water. They got clams in the water. All right, sis. Yes, yes. Hallelujah.
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 Thank you, Abba. This reminds me of last year. I feel like I'm respectfully, Omar just baptizing another one of my daughters.
Yes.
This is fantastic. This is special.
It's all good, baby. Hallelujah. Praise Him. Yes, yes. Hallelujah. Thank you, Abba.
Glory be to the Most High. Thank you. My Lord, my Lord. Oh, send out your anointing.
Thank you, Abba. Yes. Love you, baby. Yes. Oh, praises.
All praises. All praises.
Hallelujah. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Hallelujah. Yes, yes. Hallelujah, baby. Hallelujah. Thank you, Abba. Yes, yes. Hallelujah. Yes, thank you, Abba. Yes, yes.
Glory to your name.
Hallelujah, hallelujah. Yes, yes. All right. Yes, yes.
Kwam Yasharala.
Kwam Yasharala. Yes.
Mom is rejoicing right now.
Yes.
Praises to the Most High.
Yes. 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 Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Yes. Yes. Hallelujah. Yes. Yes, yes. I think y'all want to go swimming. Y'all staying in there. Y'all want to swim a bit. Yeah. All praises to the Most High. All praises to the Most High. Glory. Praise the higher. Praise the higher. Praise the higher.
Praise the
Praise the higher.
Praise the higher.
Praise the higher. Come on and shout for joy with me.
Hallelujah.
Come on and shout for joy with me.
Hallelujah.
Come on and shout for joy with me.
Hallelujah.
Come on and shout for joy with me. Praise the higher.
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 Praise
Hey.
the higher.
Praise the higher.
Praise the higher.
Lift them higher.
Praise the higher.
Lift them higher.
Praise the higher. Wait,
Higher,
Can I
higher.
stop this for a second? I want y'all to use y'all outside voice.
Oh, come on.
We praising y'all.
Yes.
We praising him. He's worthy.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Come on, let's do it.
Praise the higher.
Yeah, yeah.
Praise the higher.
Praise the higher.
Praise the higher.
Praise the higher.
Praise the
Oh,
higher.
praise the higher.
Come on and lift the sun with me. 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 Praise the Shire.
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 Praise the higher.
Praise the higher.
Praise the higher. Hallelujah.
Higher.
Praise the higher.
Praise the higher.
Praise the higher.
Praise the
Higher. Yeah. Hallelujah. Yes, yes. Thank you, Abba. Thank you, Abba.
Thank you.
Hallelujah. Yes, yes. Yes. Yes, yes. Yes, yes.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah, baby. That's right. Hallelujah.
Brother.
Yes, he said hallelujah.
Thank you for doing it for me, man.
Yeah.
But I want
All
to
right.
sit with y'all. Are you doing anything Saturday?
Yes.
Well, we got to try